What's up, everybody? It's your boy Luca Brassi, it's your boy Kevin Johnson, and we're back with a lit video, back with another legendary video you've ever seen in your life, you guys. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's all y'all gotta do, you know. But anyway, today, I hope y'all seen all of my previous videos. I hope y'all still staying tuned on every little thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What's up, y'all?
Y'all remember her. Y'all always been saying, where's she at? Where's she at? There y'all go. Anyway, you guys.
Big dog. I'd hate to pick that dog.
So we're on our way to pick up my son. And we're about to be lit, man. You know what I'm saying? And all y'all's gonna stay tuned because I'm gonna talk to y'all on why. Hey, that's what everybody says.
The Grudge.
But anyway, guys, this is a POV drive. Since I didn't do a very good one, you know what I'm saying? Since I didn't do a very good one, but this is a POV drive update part 2 because part 1 was shitty. Sorry, guys, but part 1 was shitty though. Okay, so it's a POV drive.
That car has the gas tank where the license plate goes.
Yep. All old school cars do that. The old one like that, all ones. See, Fox talking about that one, you guys. But anyway, you already know we're in the wide body today. So let me explain this. So I didn't know this puddle was big. No homo. So this is gonna be just a lit video, you guys. Oh yeah, I'm telling y'all, you guys, like this is gonna be lit.